Nail polish has always been a staple in the world of beauty and self-expression. It's a small detail that can make a big difference in your overall look and confidence. When it comes to the parties and special occasions, choosing the right nail polish can be the finishing touch. In the evolving world of fashion and beauty, nail art continues to capture the hearts of enthusiasts with its endless creativity and innovation. As we dive in this video to the newest trends in the beauty industry, nail polish designs have gone through an impressive transformation, pushing the boundaries of imagination and self-expression. For those who are seeking an otherworldly and futuristic look, holographic and chrome nail polishes are the answer. These polishes create a stunning multi-dimensional effect that changes with the light. Imagine your nails shifting from shiny purples to bright blues with a simple twist of your hand. Holographic and chrome nail art is perfect for parties, festivals, and anyone looking to make a statement. While minimalism is in, bold and bright nail colors are also making waves. Shades like bright orange, electric blue, and fiery red are all the rage. These attention-grabbing colors are perfect for those who want their nails to be the center of attention. Don't be afraid to experiment with daring colors to show off your personality and style. It allows you to express your personality and enhance your overall appearance. Whether you prefer the timeless allure of classic red, the dazzling effect of metallics and glitters, or the understated charm of nudes, there are a perfect nail polish for every party.